reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tarot Reader Shefali in English. Friends, please remember this is a very new, brand new channel which I have started just for English speaking audience, because I realized that many people are following me on Instagram, as well as I'm getting appointments from them who are non-Indians, who are spread across the globe, and they also are seeking for some guidance. So I have been releasing my English videos, English version of the content on the same channel, but now I am segregating it just for the convenience of the subscribers. Okay, so do follow my English channel, share it with your friends and family so that they can also subscribe it and press that bell icon of YouTube channel to get the updates. So friends, in this video we are going to speak about August 2020 predictions. Without wasting too much of time, let's see what's in cards for you. Hi Geminis, let's see what's in cards for you for August 2020. People who are born from 21st of May to 20th of June are Geminis. Let's see what's in cards for them. So friends, we'll start with your energy oracle card. We have all tied up energy that is surrounding you in the coming month. The all tied up card is suggesting that there is a tough situation that you are going through. So you are feeling caught up in a wrong situation and little helpless in the situation. So the situation is not actually very bad, but you are feeling like it is a worse situation and you are helpless. So just take care. Let's see what other cards are suggesting. So you have to here just take a charge of your mind, especially because it is more of a felt tied up situation than the real tied up situation. So let's see what other cards are suggesting. Moving towards your relationship card, we can see the Lovers card in the reverse position. So friends, when Lovers card is a very strong major arcana card, and when it is in a reverse position, it speaks about duality in love and in the reverse position. So somewhere you are feeling disconnected with your partner. So if you are in a marriage setup or in a partnership, or if you're dating somebody, there is a high possibility that you are feeling disconnected with the partner. You are feeling unloved, you are feeling cheated, you're feeling confused about the relationship, you're feeling that you are actually doubting your or your partner's feeling that whether you are really in love or it is just an attraction or addiction towards each other. There is a feeling of lack of connect and positivity in the relationship. Now this can lead to a lot of issues like misunderstanding, distancing from each other. There is a possibility of argument or doubting each other's credibility, or doubting each other's character, and trying to blame on each other, creating leading to arguments, leading to distrust, leading to distancing. So overall it is showing a lot of negative energy in short. So here what you have to do is you have to think from a totality perspective. Be smart enough to understand whether the relationship matter for you. Has this been a trend in the relationship? If it is not the trend in the relationship, then of course you should give this relationship a second chance. You should give this relationship a time to nurture and heal itself. It might be just a bad phase that your partner is going through, or that you are going through, because of which you are feeling disconnected or detached from the partner at this moment of time. However, if you have been in a sulking relationship for a long time and you were planning to move on, then maybe this is the time that you are getting a real picture that yes, this is a time to move on. And even if you think from a totality perspective, you are getting that signal that this is not the right relationship for you. You are in it for a wrong reasons, and that has been suffering and making you sulk. That could be also the revelation. But even in that case, you have to give yourself time. Don't take any hasty decision of moving on or separation. Give it time. Let this month pass away. In time you will know what is the right decision to be taken. So don't take any impulsive decisions with regards to relationship, because you are going to go through really tough phase in the relationship phase in the coming month. So coming to your career card, Geminis, we have 5 of Cups in the upright position in your career segment. Now this card is suggesting that somewhere you have been through a tough time in your career and you have lost something in your career. So it could be a good project, it could be a job opportunity which you always dreamt of, it could be some credit that you were expecting to get in your job but you haven't got it, or it could be anything that is related to your upgradation but it has not happened because of situational factors. and because of which you are sad. But there is no need to be sad, friends, because there is still something with you which is going to help you sustain this job and grow in this job. So don't be disheartened by something that you have not got. Be happy with what you have, because patience will help you pay. The message for you here is to patience. Keep patience. In time you will get your credit. In time you will earn your award or reward or recognition in your job. So everything is not lost. Don't be sad about it. Even in the case of business environment, same is the case, where maybe you have lost some deals or some vendors or some business because of the situational factor, but you haven't lost everything. So everything is not lost. Still there is a lot of hope to grow, to earn money, to win over the odds. With patience you will be able to do it. If this is especially for people who are learning or getting educated or studying, don't lose on hope. Even if you haven't got the percentile that you were expecting, you still have good enough to make something good out of it. So have patience, work hard, have a focused work environment for yourself, plan yourself well, and things will shape up for you in the future. So nothing to worry about. So just keep patience. Over here is the message. Coming to your finances, so I can see Devil card in the reverse position. So here chances could be either you have gone through a very deep losses because of some wrong decisions or wrong judgments that you have made in past, or because somebody was trying to give a wrong advice to you, wrong counseling to you, which has led you into very deep losses. Or there could be a possibility that you have done something wrong, invested in some unethical things, some wrong things, some illegal things, which has made you lose a lot of money in your finances. So over here the warning for you is, don't plan your finances right now. You are not in the right frame of mind, right energy is not surrounding you. You can get into deeper losses if you get into too much of risky zones. So don't adventure out would be the message here. So adventure without preparation is a disaster. So here the message for you is, maybe you are planning to adventure out in some zone or some industry or some investment opportunity which you are not thorough with, which can lead you into disaster. So don't get into something like that without a proper advice. Keep patience, take proper advice, and then jump into any investment or financial decisions. Coming to your health, we can see Knight of Swords of Pride. It's showing a good health situation. So though you are going through a lot of stress, lot of troubles, but you are handling your health well. Mentally you are going through a lot of struggle, maybe somewhere because of a lot of stress that we can see either in your relationship or in your career or majorly financial segment, but you are fighting it across. So use your maturity, use your experience, use your skills to handle your stress. You will be able to sail through it. The Chakra advice card is advising inner strength. So you are a very strong person. It is saying that you have some inner strength which is going to sail you through this tough time. Be prepared to seek it, be prepared to discover it within you to fight this tough time that is coming by in the coming month. Hierophant, the Emperor reverse is the message for you. So somewhere maybe you are lacking organizing skill, you are lacking the sense of responsibility, which has made you lose control on certain aspects of your life. Somewhere you have lost the confidence because you are feeling you're not taking enough responsibility, or you're not managing your things well, you're not managing your skills well, managing your relationships well, because of which there is an upside down which you can see in your life, career as well as finances. So just take a charge of it and you will know what to do in future. Over a period you will be able to take the reign of your life in your hand. Just hold on, keep patience. So that's the message for all the Geminis in the coming month. A very good luck.
Friends, I really hope that you have gone through the reading and you have got some help, some guidance out of it. If you have got the guidance, you're free to share your point of views with me on the comment section and share your thoughts, share some improvisation thoughts. If you have some point of views to share, you can suggest me the topics which you want me to cover in the pick a card readings, and otherwise also share my videos, like and share my videos with your friends and family. So by sharing, I not only mean sharing this video on your Facebook page, but also in your Facebook groups, on your WhatsApp groups, so that more and more people can connect with it and get the guidance from it and populate it further, so that we can help them through the general reading on our YouTube channel over here. So it is a community effort to promote this channel so that they get help from the general readings. Okay, so another thing I wanted to tell you was, if you're looking for a personal reading, you can anytime connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. I'm very active on Instagram and Facebook page as well as on WhatsApp group, so do message me on these platforms. I will ensure that I revert you at the earliest. Okay, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook page. I have also launched a Facebook group called the Soul Chakra Tarot. Don't forget to follow that group or be a part of that group if you are a spiritual seeker, because there we are going to read and discuss and share each other's thoughts about spiritual enhancement and the soul journey, how to connect with your inner soul and all that kind of topics across the globe. So it's not just that we are going to speak about Hinduism or Christianity, but we are going to speak about all the possible religions or customs. Basically, we are going to speak how different sect of people are trying to access their spiritual self through the soulful journey and their methods with regards to same. So I really hope that you get some benefit out of that group also. So we are growing together. It's a very new group. Would look forward to your membership. I would like to invite you all there, whoever is a spiritual seeker. Very good luck to all of you. I hope this video helps you, and a very big thank you to all the subscribers who are already part of it.